Hello, candidates out there. Welcome to lesson 2 of molding of bricks and blocks. Our substrand for today is types of bricks. A quick recap of what we learned last week. Last week, we learned about tools needed when it comes to molding of bricks and blocks. So some of the basic tools needed when molding bricks and blocks include mold box, head pans, tamping rod, gauge box, spade or shovel. All these are said to be basic tools needed when it comes to molding of bricks and blocks. If you have my previous lesson, you can go back and you get the full details concerning the uses of all these tools which we just mentioned here. Now to our topic for the day, which is types of bricks. There are four types of bricks, and these types of bricks include 1. Sandcrete bricks. When we talk of Sandcrete bricks is made from sand and cement, mixed in a ratio with appreciable amount of potable water. So Sandcrete brick, which is said to be our first type of brick, is said to be the most commonest type of bricks which is mostly found out there, simply because the material used in making it is said to be very common here. So the materials include sand and cement, an appreciable amount of potable water. So this is a typical example of Sandcrete bricks and blocks. Let's move on to the second one. 2. Landcrete bricks. Landcrete bricks. When we talk of Landcrete bricks, this is made from laterite and cement, mixed in a ratio with appreciable amount of potable water. So the materials used in making Landcrete bricks include laterite and cement. When we talk of laterite is said to be the natural soil which is made up of gravel and clay, and it comes in different colors. We have some in red and some in brown and some even ash in color, depending on where to locate it. So Landcrete brick is made from laterite and cement, mixed in a ratio with appreciable amount of potable water. So the pictures we see below, they are all typical examples of Landcrete bricks. The third one is known as clay bricks. Clay bricks. Clay bricks is made from clay and shale. So clay contains mainly sand and alumina. Then when it comes to shale, shale are said to be laminated deposit of clay rock, normally broken up and ground to find texture. So when you obtain this fine texture, it is now mixed with your clay. And by so doing, we end up producing what we call clay bricks. So the pictures we also see below, they are all typical examples of clay bricks. We can get some in that red color or reddish brown in color. We also have some in ash color. So the two pictures there, they are all typical examples of clay bricks. Point number 4, which is the fourth type of bricks. This is known as precast or laterite bricks. Precast or laterite bricks. This is made from sand containing almost 50 to 80% of sand. These bricks are not waterproof and need to be protected from sun. When we look at the material used in making precast or laterite brick, they are mostly made from sand without any special binding material added to it. So this tells you that the sand alone cannot resist too much water, and therefore such bricks needs to be always protected from rain. If you don't protect it from rain, when it rains heavily, the rain can easily wash your bricks away. So the fourth type of bricks is known as precast or laterite bricks. Our homework for the day. 1. List and explain 4 types of bricks. Then question number 2. You state 3 uses of bricks. Next week, we will now move on to molding and curing of bricks. Molding and curing of bricks. So as I've given you a clue to what you'll be learning next week, please don't forget to research under it. So when you research and you discover something new, you can forward all your answers, all your discovery, all your questions, all your observation to my email sagacious59@gmail.com or my WhatsApp number 0240 900 650. At the same time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at One Sagacious. And anytime I upload any new lesson, you will be notified in order to do a follow-up to get all your lessons up to date. This is where we end for today. See you same time on another peaceful day. Bye for now.